Hello everyone, my name is Simran. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to do Meesho summer dresses haul or vacation dresses. I think so both are the same. And all of these dresses are really affordable. It's under 300 rupees. Can you believe it? Or 300, not like 350 rupees, max 350 rupees. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the first dress. It's a long bodygon beige dress and it has a brown flower and the material is also quite nice. I don't think it's transparent or thin fabric, I think so. And the price of it is only 289 rupees. Only 289 rupees, and the quality is also great. Can you get much better than this product? So let me show you how it looks on me. So this is how the dress looks like on me, and I don't think so it's looking that good on me. Like the top portion is little bit loose and the dress is little bit ill fitted from here. If it was little tight, I think so it would have looked great, but I don't think so it's looking that great on me. But the fabric and the fit is quite nice, so you can consider it. If you No, you can consider it, but on me I don't like it personally. And I think so if you tailor it from here, then you can wear it. नहीं तो ऐसे बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है ये ड्रेस, ऐसे इस पूरी नीचे तक है. मुझे चाहिए था कि ये और थोड़ी सी नीचे तक हो, बट ऐसे भी अच्छी ही दिख रही है. हाँ, मैं आपको इसका फुल लुक यहाँ पे दिखाती हूँ. और मुझे लग तो नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि और अच्छी हो सकती थी. लाइक प्राइस के अकॉर्डिंग इट्स गुड, एंड द फोटो ऑन द ऐप it exactly the same. I think so you can give it a try. So now let's move on to the next dress. It's a white green vacation dress, and oh my god, it looked really pretty on the app. But now let's see how it looks on me. It has a cutout over here around the bust and between the bust and the stomach area, and it also has a slit over here, and it's not stretchable. And in this also my size is extra small, and the price is only 329 rupees. Oh my god. So now let me show you how it looks on me. So this is how the dress looks like on me, and I really like it. Like, oh my god, it's looking so beautiful, and it's really perfect for vacation outfit. If you are going to Goa or anything in this summer, then I think so it's perfect dress, and that too under a budget. So I think so you should definitely try this one. I would not recommend the previous one, but I would recommend this one. It has this sexy cutout over here, and it also has a slit over here, and the material is also quite good. It has a double lining, and it's not stretchable though, but after wearing it, it really looks good and beautiful. So I think so you should try it. I will show you here the full look of this dress, and it has leaves all over the dress, and the color of the dress is white. So I think the white, it is a basic color, and you can wear it anywhere. I don't know what to say, but I like this dress. So I am going to. Should I rate the dress? I think so. Out of 5, I am going to rate it 4.1, 4.5, and I didn't rate it the previous dress. So I think so I will rate it 5 out of 3. And now let's move on to the next dress. This haul is going to be little short because I only ordered 5 dresses. So now let's move on to the next dress. So this is how the dress looks like on me, and oh my god, this is my personal favorite dress. Like the fit, the fabric, the design, and the pattern. It looks really pretty on me, and the length of the dress is still the floor. I think so. This is 5 out of 5. So this is the next dress, and oh my god, this is my personal favorite dress, and I am going to rate this dress 5 out of 5. Like, it's so beautiful, the fit, design, and the length, and the style of this and the style of this dress is beautiful. Like, you can see it has a string over here which you can tie it up, and this two string here, so you can tie it up here, or you can tie up like a halter neck too. It would look really pretty, and oh my god, this is so pretty dress, and the length is till the floor. Like, wow. I didn't like the previous two dresses that much, but I really like this dress. It is in baby pink color, and it has roses all over the dress, and the fabric is also not transparent. I think transparent or anything like that. I don't think the fabric is bad, and it's yeah, and the dress is not stretchable too that much. So, and my size in this dress is. So this is the next dress. I am filming this video after 2 days. That's why the lighting is different, because that day I was shooting in the evening, and today I am shooting it around. It's around 4 p.m. now. So let's continue it from here. So this is how the dress looks like on me. It's a white color dress. It's a full maxi dress, and it's a bodycon dress, and all over the dress it has a big flower pattern, like this, and the material is also quite good, so I think so you can consider it. But the material is a little bit thin, so whatever you are wearing inside, it's visible on the outside a little bit, so I think so you have to wear seamless undergarments. Likewise, the dress is perfect for summer, or it's good like a summer dress, and it's quite affordable too, and the price of it is 345 rupees. And now currently the sale is going on Meesho app, so I think so you will get it more on discounted price. I will show you the full look over here, like you would be seeing it. So now let's move on to the next dress. So this is the last dress. It's little pricier, so it's for 400 rupees. So this is the next dress. Oh my god, this is so pretty. You would have seen this dress on many influencers on Instagram. So I got that due at such a low price. It's a full bodycon maxi dress, but I'm having a little trouble while walking because it doesn't have any cut over down, like the what should I say? Like, there's cut over the side of the dress, right? Slit. Because of that, we can walk properly. But this dress doesn't have it, so I have to like like this, like छोटे छोटे steps लेने पड़ते हैं. But this dress looks really pretty. It's a perfect summer dress. I told you, like, same thing for the previous dress, but this is such a pretty. It has flowers all over the dress, and I think so it's really pretty. And the material is also quite good. It's stretchable. By the way, the previous dress and this dress, my size is extra small, and all of the dresses my size is extra small. So if you are like me, then you should also go for extra small. It's really pretty, and that's it. That's that much only I can describe about this dress. So if you enjoyed this video, then like and subscribe to my channel. So till then, bye bye.